Hello, good day. My name is Diego, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Alldocube iPlay 80.
I bought this tablet from a Shopee store called Kimstore, who has been in the tech retail business for 16 years already. As you can see, the package is very secured inside two bubble wrapped boxes. The box is a decent looking black packaging with a brand name in front. Inside the box are the tablet, the manual, standard charger, and the USB Type-C connector. A free screen protector has already been installed. You just have to peel the top layer carefully to avoid accidentally removing the protector itself.
The mat has a matte finish which doesn't attract that much fingerprints. And one of the things that really throws me off is the build quality, because it is so clunky that when you try to bend it on the corners, you will be able to hear that. Now that is very sketchy. So I would recommend you buy some case for extra protection.
Boot up time is around 32 seconds. I already set my tablet upon receiving, and since this review was made after a week of use, I've already installed some applications.
The screen is an 8-inch IPS HD display.
At the bottom part of the tablet, you will see the speaker grill. On its right is the volume rocker. At the top, you'll see the headphone jack, a micro SD card slot up to 256 gigabytes, SIM card slot, and a Type-C port. No buttons at the left. And at the back is the 2 megapixel fixed focus rear camera.
One of the things that I like with this tablet is that it doesn't have a lot of bloatware installed in it when you get it fresh from the box. And also, the screen doesn't lag that much when navigating.
Video quality on its 1280 by 808 inches IPS display is a bit disappointing. There's no support for 4K viewing, and the 189 pixel per inch display, you shouldn't expect so much from it. Viewing angles are pretty bad too.
Another thing that annoys me is the placement of the speakers. As you can see, this is where the speaker is. And if you watch with your palm on it, it blocks the sound. And that is really annoying.
The Alldocube iPlay 80 has a quad-core Unisoc SE9832E processor, 3GB of RAM, and 32GB of internal storage. I'm not really a mobile gamer, but I installed a 3D game for you to see how it performs. It experiences some lags every now and then, but for casual games, it is decent.
Now moving on to the camera is pretty bad.
The iPlay 80 sports a 2 megapixel fixed focus rear camera, and here are some sample shots. Video recording is pretty diabolical too. It can record up to 720p and no stabilization feature in place. The front-facing camera is also a 2 megapixel fixed focus shooter. Video recording is adequate at well-lit environment.
This is how the video recorder performs at night at a well-lit environment, and as you can see, my skin is quite reddish, and also the sound quality is quite good. If you're going to buy this tablet for Zoom meetings, for Google Meet, or any meetings, it can be reliable
in extremely bright indoors. I tested the camera in a low light environment and also in a brighter one.
And the most amazing thing with this tablet is that it has a very long battery life. It has a 5500 milliamp battery that can last a whole day or two in moderate use. The charger that comes with the box is not really good, so I suggest you buy a faster charging charger. That's it for the Alldocube iPlay AT. Thank you for watching and have a good day.